Hi friends, let me show you this new EasyLiner shelf liner that I bought for the new kitchen that you see here. We are going to cut this liner to exactly the size of all the drawers in it, so you can put it on the bottom of the shelves, and this will protect the shelves as well as prevent items to be moving around, so they will stay more organized and your kitchen can be cleaner. Okay, these liners are easy to install. You just measure the length of the drawer or shelf, wherever you are going to put it. These are good for shelves, drawers, any surface that can be protected with it. Okay, they come in a standard size that fits the depth of the drawer or the depth of most of the kitchen cabinets, and you can always cut them in width and length to fit exactly your needs. So with these drawers, we are just going to cut on the length of the drawers and put it in all of them. Let me show you how it looks when we install it everywhere. And a great thing with these liners is that you can machine wash them with cold water, and you just let them flat to dry. So whenever your kitchen needs a good cleaning, you can get even the liners to the washing machine and have them like new again after washing them. Now you can see how we have the liners installed. They help so the stuff won't slip. It will have like more grip. You can move the drawer and things stay in their place. Okay, so these are a great option to organize your kitchen. Thank you.